Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need an updated iPhone and an Apple ID signed in. Once done, choose your authentication method, Face ID, Touch ID, or a 6-digit passcode. Make sure you've listed which apps you want to protect and that you can access screen time settings. First actionable step: open Settings, tap Screen Time, and enable it if it's off. Set a screen time passcode different from your device passcode so apps can be restricted separately. This separation prevents accidental unlocking of app locks. Now configure app-based restrictions by going to Settings, Screen Time, then App Limits. You'll create a new limit for the apps you listed. Select either a category or tap to pick specific apps, then set a minimal daily limit. 1 minute works as a gate. Make sure to toggle on block at end of limit so the screen time passcode is required to extend usage. Once set, these limits effectively require the screen time passcode to reopen blocked apps after the limit ends. To finish, test by opening a locked app until the daily limit triggers and confirm you're prompted for the screen time passcode. This verifies setup. If the passcode prompt doesn't appear, make sure app limits target the correct app and that block at end of limit is enabled, then restart the phone. If you forget the screen time passcode, reset it through settings using your Apple ID or erase and restore the device as a last resort. Keep a note of the passcode in a secure place.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.